All right, our review. We're going to plot the following integers on the number line. So we are going to take these points and we are going to plot them on our number line here. Remember, we have a 0. This 0 is going to separate our positive integers, or our positive numbers, and our negative numbers. So that 0 separates it. First off, we have negative 20. Well, let's see. Also, I noticed that not all of my lines are filled in. Let's take a look. If I go from 0 and 10, what's in between 0 and 10? I know there's a 5, 10, 15, then 20, then 25, then 30. Same thing, if you take a look here and you go with the 0, you're going to have the opposites. So look at that. If you fold this number line in half, you'll have those opposites on the other side. So you have negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, negative 20, negative 25, negative 30, negative 35. All right, let's go ahead and plot now. Negative 20 is going to be down here. We go minus 20 from 0. All right, next we have negative 15. Ooh, we're going to go down here. Then we have 30, positive 30, so we're going to go up to positive 30. Negative 10 down here. Oh, we have a stoplight in backwards order here. And then we have a positive 5. Positive 5. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to place these numbers in order from least to greatest. So smallest to biggest. So on this number line down here at the bottom, the smallest is going to be at the bottom. And then the biggest is going to be at the top. Because when you have our number line here, in this case, we have negative, for example, if you go negative 30 or you owe somebody $30, or if you're in negative 30-degree temperature, you would rather owe someone $30 instead of negative $35. My bad, I think I said 30. You would rather owe someone negative $30 than 35, and you'd rather owe them 25 than 30. So do you see how you keep getting closer to 0? So these are going farther from 0 and colder or less. Same thing with the temperature. You'd rather it be negative 30 than negative 35 because negative 35 is going to be colder. Burr, burr, burr. Let's hope it does not get to that again. All right, so least, our smallest number down here, is going to be plotted, that we have here, is going to be negative 20. So negative 20. Next, we have a negative 15. Next, working our way up that number line, we have negative 10. Next, is plotted on our number line, we have positive 5. And then our biggest number that we plotted here is a positive 30. So that's going to be it for our review. Great job.